Odoo Inventory Management Tutorial 2025 step by step. So, hey guys, welcome to this video and welcome to the channel also. And today we will be uh, giving a tutorial about Odoo Inventory Management and showing how you can use it step by step. So, welcome. Again, and if you're running a business and want to take full control of your stock, warehouse operations and supply chain, Odoo makes it easier than ever. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through how to manage products, incoming and outgoing shipments, and automate reordering, all from one centralized dashboard. So whether you are a beginner or exploring Odoo for the first time, this tutorial will help you streamline your inventory operations in a smart, scalable way. Now let's go to the login or sign up process. So uh, to enter the dashboard, you need to click on sign in or try it free. I'll just go with try it free and sign up from here. Uh, okay, I'll just try it free. Let's say e-commerce, free with unlimited users. Let's select all. We'll select all so that we can 15 days free trial. Okay, let's just continue, and first name last name we have to give it. We have to give wiki well zeros, not zero. Company name code grave or Rix, and let's say the email is that. You have to provide a phone number here. Let's go with France. Primary interest, I'm a student. Language, company size. Okay, so just click on start now. So we'll need a temporary number to get on to this website. So let's jump into a random website here and take a phone number and click to copy. It's copied. Plus 33. Okay, let's click on start now. Odoo, welcomes to Odoo. So let's jump on to the dashboard. Building your website, e-commerce, building your events, e-learning, CRM, sales, point of sale, restaurant, and now it will take us to the dashboard. Okay, we will click on skip and start from scratch. As you can see, building your website. We are on the welcome to your home page. You click on edit. It directly took us to the website. Let's do it. Let's click on a business website, online store. Let's click on it. clothes marketing. Let's choose marketing with the main objectives to sell more. Let's go with that. We have to select a color palette from here, so let's go with this color palette. And you can add pages and features from here, like about us, services, pricing, privacy policy, career, news, success stories, or you can also add forum, live chat, help desk, store locator, appointment. And let's build my website. So now we just have to select a online catalog. So let's click on that and select this one, and it's loading. Choose your favorite theme. It's asking me for choosing a theme. Let's view more themes. So here, as you can see, there are more themes here. So let's just select this one. And building your website, applying your colors and design, and when you get on the dashboard, it will look clean, intuitive, and fully customizable. And you will see all installed modules like CRM, sales, invoicing, inventory, website builder, point of sale or POS, and many more. Each app is color coded and opens in its own workspace. You can easily switch between apps or use the global search bar for quick access. Navigation is fast and mobile friendly, perfect for remote teams. So the core business apps of Odoo are CRM and sales. It manages your pipeline visually using Kanban boards. You can track leads, automate follow-ups, link to emails, calls, and activities, forecast revenue and conversion chances, easily convert leads into quotes or sales order. You can also do invoicing and accounting, create and send invoices in one click. You can also reconcile bank transactions, automate tax calculations, manage multi-currency, journal entries, and recurring bills. So as you can see, it already took us to the website. You can just edit, click on edit, and customize anything from this website and make on your own website. So you can click on customize, select block on the page to style it. You can just select a block, you can customize it from here. And you can see here, after clicking on customize, you can select the template, content width, background, border, round corners, shadow, color, offset, blur, spread, scroll effect, header, position, elements, show empty. You can also see mobile alignments, font, format, adding colors, submenus, logos, height, and you can just also add media like logo and something and click on replace. If you do the editing and click on save, your website will be ready. And the Odoo helps you with inventory and MRP also, perfect for e-commerce or manufacturing. Smart stock tracking with barcodes. It also helps reordering rules and warehouse routing, and also real-time reporting on inventory value and movement, project and team sheets. And also you can manage tasks using Gantt, GANTT, and Kanban or calendar views. You can track employees hours, invoice billable time, collaborate across teams with file attachments and chat. And on the website builder, Odoo comes with a drag and drop website builder and use blocks to build responsive websites. So thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Odoo walkthroughs. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a deep dive into other modules next. So see you on the next video.